Ever wondered how a submersible water pump works? These clever devices can be a lifesaver when it comes to removing unwanted water from places like basements, wells, or construction sites. But how exactly do they manage to do their job so efficiently? Today, we'll delve into the mechanics of a submersible water pump and break it down step by step. Scene script. Imagine a tiny submarine capable of operating underwater. That's essentially what a submersible water pump is. The most important aspect of the pump is its hermetically sealed motor, which is closely coupled to the pump body. The entire assembly is submerged in the fluid to be pumped. The main advantage of this type of pump is that it prevents pump cavitation, a problem associated with a high elevation difference between the pump and the fluid surface. Now let's move to the working mechanism of the pump. The pump operates by pushing rather than pulling water. It does this through a system of impellers. An impeller is a rotating component equipped with vanes that sling the water outwards. When the impeller spins, it creates a vacuum that draws water into the pump. This water then travels over the impellers, which push the water up and out of the pump. The impellers are driven by the pump's motor, which remains safely encased within a waterproof housing. They spin at a high speed, creating a force that moves the water upwards against gravity. Next in line is the check valve. This valve prevents the pumped water from flowing back into the pump when it's turned off. It's a one-way street for the water. Once it's been pushed past this point, it can't come back. Finally, the water exits the pump through the discharge pipe. This pipe carries the water away from the pump to wherever it needs to go. The size and length of the discharge pipe can greatly affect the pump's performance, so it's important to choose the right one for your specific needs. So, to summarize, a submersible water pump works by using a sealed motor to spin impellers, creating a vacuum that draws water into the pump. The water is then pushed up and out of the pump by the impellers, past a check valve that prevents backflow, and out through a discharge pipe. With this knowledge, you'll not only understand how these essential tools work, but you'll also be better equipped to choose the right one for your needs, maintain it properly, and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Remember, understanding the mechanics behind everyday tools can make life a lot easier, and can even spark the curiosity to explore and understand more about the fascinating world of mechanics. So, next time you see a submersible water pump, you'll know exactly what's happening beneath the water's surface.